Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at a Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and what we need is next to the phone a pin. It is part of the box. Otherwise you could use also a paper clip. With that pin, or with the edge of that pin, we enter the small hole on the side of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and there's a small hole in there, and you just press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, there are two versions of the phone. One is the single SIM version and one is the dual SIM version. So let us start with the first SIM card. It is always the same. Anyhow, if you have the single or dual SIM version, it's always like this. Missing corner and missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you have the single SIM version, you could enter a micro SD card. I will show you in another video. It seems like this then. Contacts are below. If you have the dual SIM version, you could also enter as a micro SD card, but you have to choose between a micro SD card or a second SIM card. In case you want to have a second SIM card, you have to put the second SIM card here. So you have to decide micro SD card or second SIM card. Missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and that SIM tray you just put back into the phone like this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe if you want, you can leave me a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can go to another video, maybe how to insert a micro SD card. I will explain it a bit more extended. Thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe until next time. Ciao.